Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2016 Toyota 4Runner Limited. This 4Runner comes well equipped with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, tinted glass, and much more. 20-inch unique dual 6-spoke alloy wheels, mud and snow tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 59,239 miles. The tow package, the power rear window, LED brake lights, a spacious cargo area with a sliding cargo tray, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row, power heated and cooled leather seating with driver memory, dual zone auto climate control, a push button start, a garage door opener, and a leather steering wheel with convenience controls. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.